Greetings, Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can upload a video, this video here to TikTok. But if you notice, this is a computer, not a mobile phone, right? But how we're going to do it? If you notice, this is TikTok right over here, right? You have to do right click and open it. But notice I have it right here, already open, right? If you notice, this is definitely TikTok, right? If you notice right up here, this is where it said upload. So I'm going to click right here and we're upload right here. Now when you click on upload, if you notice right inside here, showing you that it actually processing so far. You notice over on this side is a home, it's a post, it's a comment and such. Right over here, analytics right here, key, metric right here, and content on this side. Right? So definitely you see this right here, it means that it's actually posting. Right? If you notice right here, it's a select video to upload. Right? It shows that I can actually drag a video. And right here, if you notice, it shows the resolution. Right? What to show right here and the gigabyte. So pay close attention to this. So I'm going to come right here and click on reverse select. Now when I click on reverse select, what will allow me to take me directly to my desktop where the video is so far, right? And then I'm going to actually choose. I already notice this is self, notice over here, this desktop. I can actually click in one of these. So this is the video I wanted to upload. I want to click on it and then I'm going to come right here. So notice this is where it open here. As you can see here, I'm going to click on open. Now when I click on open, what you see definitely, if you notice so far, caption up here, notice cover note, notice show it actually uploading right here. Right, if I scroll up some more, show it comments right here. All right, this is how it look now on this side. Notice the caption is show you right here. This is the cover, right? So this is how it actually look here, right? If you notice, show that I can do it, I can switch right here, show that I can actually schedule it. Yes, and now right here, I can run a copyright check right here. Notice you come right here, you can pause it, you can discard it. If I come right here and I click, definitely, right? Definitely it will go to pause, right? And if you notice, right here is upload another video. Right, I want to see the one that I just do it. I'm going to click right here, manage your post, right? And then you will see, so this is that one that I just posted a while ago, right here. So this is how we actually upload a video to TikTok from your computer. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.